Do you know how we can improve our English fast way? I mean, how we can learn this language fast way and speak this language fluently and effortlessly? There is one way, by learning vocabulary. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. The more vocabulary you have, the better you are going to speak. So here question arises that how can I learn vocabulary? And how many vocabulary should I know for speaking this language? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to learn vocabulary fast way. See my friend, as we know that vocabulary plays vital role. I mean, it is the cornerstone of this language. So if anyone wants to speak this language, they should have a lot of vocabulary. And here question arises, many people they ask that how many vocabulary should I know? And especially who ask? Beginner. They ask that how many vocabulary should I know for speaking this language? Should I learn 100 vocabulary, 1000 vocabulary or 5000? Frankly speaking, in my case, I haven't counted them. And I never ever feel the importance of counting them. In your case, if you feel that it is very, very important to know that how many vocabulary you know, so you can do. In my case, I think that if I want to know, I will have to write down and then I will come to know. So I feel it little bit burdensome to do this work, that how many vocabulary I know, because so far I haven't felt the importance of counting them, that how many vocabulary I know. Okay, this is the one thing. Other than that one, then how to improve vocabulary and how to remember them for a long period of time. See my friend, if you are simply reading and watching, then there are chances that you can forget. And there is another reason also, that nowadays it's social media era and we are usually bombarding ourselves with so many information. Okay, so our mind is not at the peace. We are not so much focused. That is why it become very challenging to remember any things, right? So same thing goes with the learning this language also, or learning or improving our vocabulary. Because when we learn and apart from learning vocabulary, we are doing so many things, and at the end of the day when we are trying to remember, then hardly we can remember, right? So for that one, we should try to minimize our information or the information which we are consuming. Then I think our mind will be at the peace and we will be focused, so we can remember, right? And other thing, that as you are asking that how many vocabulary should I know, so my friend, don't try to know. Rather than that one, try to learn and use them. People here make mistake that they learn and then they don't try to use them. So that is why they forget. So the more vocabulary you are going to learn, try to use them at the same day if it's possible. Otherwise you will forget. Okay? And it just happened with everyone, not only with you, with me, with other YouTubers and the person who speaks this language very fluently. It just happened with them also. We all are struggling with the same problem. Now it is your initial day, that is why it will be very, very challenging for you. But as you grow in this language, I think you will also find it, you will become habitual of learning vocabulary on the way. Now, yeah, you should know at least, I don't want to give the number that you should know 100 vocabulary, but at least you should know little bit vocabulary so that you can start speaking journey. And I have already given one example of getting constructed our building. See my friend, when we get our building constructed, at that time, what plays the vital role? You would say that everything, just like cement, concrete and sand and bricks, everything. But what is plays pivotal role? You know what? Bricks. Bricks plays the pivotal role. So we can't deny the fact that cement and sand is also very important to construct the beautiful building, right? But if you are not able to afford the cement and concrete, even if you have bricks, you can get your building not very good but little bit. You can put bricks in lines and keep I would say that cement seat and all, and somehow you can stay in that home, right? Not very good home, not very beautiful, but even you can survive in that one. Same thing goes with this language also. So vocab is as important as bricks. The big mention or the big house you can get constructed, okay? Or it means that indirectly I want to share with you that you can speak this language fluently, or you can explain your thought, your idea better way. But if you don't have, then how can you get it made? If you don't have, then how can you speak this language? So try to know a lot of vocabulary. But my friend, both are important, knowing and using them. Otherwise, if you know vocabulary but you are not using them, you don't know how to use them, there is no use of that one, I would say. Only it is good enough for your counting that I know 100 vocabulary, I know thousands of vocabulary. But there is no use unless you are using them in your speaking. So whatever you are learning, try to use them. Okay, it's very, very important. Other than that one, what I can recommend you, try to watch cartoon, because they use simple words meaning. They use very simple, and you would be able to correlate with your friends, with your, yourself. And I would say that maybe whatever things you did in your childhood, you may be able to connect them, and it will be hard to forget them, I would say. So that is why try to watch cartoon. Okay, you would say that okay, it's a childish work, but my friend, we should do if it is beneficial for us. And I would say that everything is not made for everyone, right? So if you feel it is important and you like them, that time you do. Otherwise you can choose another way also. There are many people, they are sharing their thought how to learn vocabulary, so you may find perfect way. But whatever I do, whatever I have done, I'm just sharing my experience. Okay, so other than that one, if you are truly beginner, in cartoon what they do, sometimes they do some work and they explain in English. So see, we need to get mastery how to explain our daily routine. So there are a lot of cartoons, they explain daily routine, that I am washing dishes, I am brushing my teeth, and I am taking bath. So many things they explain. Okay, they work and then they explain. So if you do that time, or if you watch that things, then you can remember them for a long time. And I used to do, and I found it beneficial for me. Okay, now I don't do. Now what I do for learning vocabulary, I watch, I listen, and I read book. I have stopped, I think, watching cartoon. Sometime hardly I watch. And most importantly, whatever you are learning, try to use them. Otherwise, my friend, you will forget. Your all hard work will go in vain. And I don't want your hard work should go in vain. Okay, you should try to do these kinds of things and learn vocabulary fast way. See, you have to do hard work. And not only you, as I told you easily, that not only you are struggling with this problem, we all are going through. But we are trying new way. Sometimes when we watch something, when we try to learn or read, we don't try to write down. We shrink our heart from doing hard work, from putting little bit extra effort. That is why somewhere we are lagging, right? So we should try to put extra effort so that we can become little bit better than other person, because that makes us little different from other one. Otherwise, the thing which we are doing, listening, watching, and reading, everyone they are doing. But little bit, if we put extra effort, we can become little bit better than someone. Or it's better to say that we can become better than our own self. The way we were in our initial day, we will not remain the same, right? It's better to compare with ourselves, I think. So whatever you are learning, try to correlate with yourself, try to make sentences. Don't shrink your heart from doing extra hard work, from putting extra effort. Then you will see that your English will definitely improve, my friend. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed my video and it is helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.